This whole word in the circular time is showing those that are willing to cross over, to let go of some of those material, dense realms that we have found ourselves in, because we have chosen the spiritual path to lift us up to a place that's much higher, to get us out of our fearful hearts, to get us out of our anxiety and our terror, so that we can move into being the expanded force of the strong leader teaching shepherds that this world is going to need and is waiting for us to completely become manifested in this realm. And they will be manifesting joy and grace, and they will move about in ease because they are no longer encumbered with anything, because they built it on the inside. And they allowed all the chaos in their life to teach them, so that they could become mutually bonded with one another as those who have turned, those who are revealed as the actual expanse of the unseen essence that is everywhere, which is the spirit of love. The quantum field is the spirit of love, and we are embodying it. We are releasing it. We are becoming it because we have turned. We are going to be revealed, and it's going to be an awesome, joyful moment. Yes! Woohoo! That's so good! That is so good. As Daryl would say, that's so God.